Hey guys, it's Yaya and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to review some raw unrefined shea butter from Golden Oil Naturals. This shea butter is sourced directly from Ghana, Africa, so I'm super excited to give it a try in this DIY lotion. I'll be making some Shea Coconut Body Lotion, perfect for the winter. Really pretty simple recipe, and yeah, I hope you guys come along with me and you enjoy the video. So with any basic lotion, you have a water phase, an oil phase. Of course, you need your emulsifier to blend them together because oil and water do not mix. And then, of course, your preservative. So we're going to go ahead and start off with the water phase. I'm going to be adding water-soluble ingredients that will dissolve in the water and that love water. Basically, these are ingredients that love water. So I'm going to combine those together, and then I'm going to combine all my oil ingredients together, and then we're going to combine them later. Starting with the water phase, we have Panthenol. Panthenol is a provitamin B5, and it easily absorbs into the skin to hydrate, moisturize, and improve elasticity. I'm also using the vegetable glycerin just because I want to be able to keep in that moisture. You want to draw in moisture and make sure that you can keep that moisture locked in. Okay, we're also using silk amino acid, which is also perfect for making the skin supple. It also easily penetrates the skin, providing some great hydration. Also, we're using aloe vera. The aloe vera powder is an alternative to using raw aloe vera because it's harder to preserve. Aloe vera is known for its skin benefits, healing dryness and other ailments of the skin, especially if you're dealing with inflammation and other fungal problems. Okay, so we're going to combine all these water ingredients and we're going to add them to this amazing lotion. For my oil phase, I'm combining argan oil and coconut oil for hydration and to reduce inflammation in the skin. I'm also using BTMS 50, which is my emulsifier. I love this emulsifier because it's universal, it's easy to use, and you usually don't have to worry about it destabilizing at all. You need the emulsifier in order to combine your oil and your water phase, okay? I'm also adding the raw unrefined shea butter from Golden Oil Naturals. This shea butter is super soft and you can definitely use it right out of the jar by itself. But today we're going to test it out in this lotion, okay? I'm also adding 2 fatty acid alcohols that will act as emollients and thickeners for this lotion, which is Cetyl Alcohol and Behenyl Alcohol. These are not drying alcohols and they actually work to keep the skin hydrated, moisturized, supple, and super soft, okay? Alright, that's it you guys. Our water and our oil phases are together, so now let's combine them, okay? We're going to first bring them up to temperature with the water and we're going to melt them down with the oil in about 1 inch or 2 of hot water and a water bath, okay? While that's melting down on the stove, which could take maybe 15 to 20, 30 minutes depending, we're going to go ahead and combine our preservative, our antioxidant, and our fragrance or essential oils into a container by itself. And we're going to just put that to the side, so once the lotion gets ready we can combine that later on, okay? Depending on what preservative you use, the way you combine it can vary, but we will talk about preservatives more later on in a different video. Alright, it's been about 15-20 minutes, and now for my favorite part, we're going to combine the oil and the water phase. This is how you want your oil phase to look. It needs to be completely clear to make sure that it's going to blend perfectly and emulsify with the water phase.
I know you think about every time I'm out, and sometimes so we're texting back. But baby, don't you know I will come around and let you know I'm always coming back. 5 in the morning, all we do is fight, and thought you'd come and make it right. I need a pause from the battle, but I don't think you settle. You don't want to get it right. I will leave it up to you. I will leave it up to you. Now I'm done and down the line. I will leave it up to you.
Alright you guys, we're almost there. This mixture is still piping hot, so please be careful. But after using the immersion blender, you can see how this has perfectly emulsified. The water and the oil are evenly combined, and I'm just loving this lotion so far. It's already starting to thicken up, so I know that the ingredients used were used perfectly with the perfect amount for each ingredient. Okay, we are officially in our cool down phase, you guys. Only thing we're trying to do is drop that temperature at least below 122 so we can add the preservative. For some preservatives, you might need to drop it a little lower. Okay, just make sure you follow directions for your preservative that you're using. For the preservative I'm using, which is Liquid Dermal Plus, I need to get this at least below 122. So I'm just continuing to blend it and mix it together until the temperature comes down, and I'm checking it periodically to see if it has reached that temperature, which I believe I got it down to like 116. Now I'm just going to take a little dab and I'm going to mix it in with the preservative, antioxidant, and the essential oils that we mixed together earlier. This is just to test it and make sure that it's not going to destabilize the entire batch. Okay, so it's a good idea to just take a little bit out and test it first, and then combine those components with the rest of the batch later on. Okay, so this is super creamy and beautiful, so it definitely was ready, and I'm gonna just combine these together, mix it up, and yeah, you have a beautiful Shea and Coconut Body Lotion. That's pretty much it, you guys. Only thing is left is to put it in a really nice container. Guys, the hydration from this lotion is ridiculous. I have been using it. It smells great, and I'm just really happy and pleased with how this came out. I'm placing it in a really cute little mini milk bottle that I found. I just thought it was the cutest little thing to put lotion in. Of course, you would not want to send this off. It'll probably spill, but just like little treats maybe for a party or something like that, I think would be really cool, or just to have at home. I think these little bottles will be really cool for this lotion. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just dab these in a little bit, dab the lotion in, and you have a complete product, you guys. Don't forget to check out Golden Oil Naturals. They sell this shea butter on Amazon, so you guys know how I feel about Amazon. It's super fast and quick. You can get your product within like 2 days. You can use this shea butter by itself, help cure any kind of skin ailments, reduce inflammation, any kind of sensitivity you may have, eczema, dry skin from the winter, you name it. Shea butter can definitely handle it. Okay, so guys, make sure you follow me on Instagram, hit that notification bell, like this video, subscribe, so you can keep up with all videos that's coming up, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.